Good morning. We're on our way to Barbagallo at the moment for the D1WA Give It A Go Come and Try Day. We'll be there doing officialing, that's even a word. Epic fail on my part. We'll be there doing official work, cone running, changing layouts and that sort of stuff. So it's going to be a bit of a full-on day, being an early start and me being a late sleeper and all. But yeah, keen for that. Then tomorrow we got Drift School WA. Gonna be some fun days for skids on the weekend. We'll do another update when we get to Barb's. Made it. We've been setting up for about an hour now. The wind is pretty heavy though. Unfortunately, no marquees to go up because they're blowing away pretty much. They wanted to take off, but we've got jelly bean layer over there, and then we've got the Give It A Go over there. We'll get some shots of some cars, maybe go do some running cinematics. We'll see how we go. So we have the Give It A Go guys going out now. They're all going crazy, throwing the cars around. We may have a new bit of kit coming thanks to Andy at Arise. He was having a chat to him. He mentioned that he has a bunch of mic setups and stuff for us. So yeah, we may work out something with him and go from there. But you got Mitch's sick looking bike, ape hangers. But yeah, so we'll get some video of the cars going around doing some fat squids. We'll later in the day do some taking passengers out, so be good fun. Give It A Go guys going out now. They're not doing too bad. You got 3 lots going out there. You got a lot down the end of the waiting, making a bit of noise, but slowly but surely getting the hang of it. See how they go later. So, track setup's now done. The guys have come back, we've all set up the layout. So we've got the full jelly bean going. So yeah, we'll be doing that for a few laps, I think for the first 2 hours of the Arvo. And then we'll be switching it up for a more battle orientated layout. We're keen, maybe put the camera on some cars and get some good skids. Case going out. Testing out. First time driving on the lock kit. still going strong. We got Danny changing tyres over there, Danny taking passengers, jumping casters going crazy. All in all, it's been a good afternoon so far. No major muck-ups from drivers or anything, so it's made it a super fun day to watch. We got Casey going around. Casey doing his thing. He's doing really well. Looks like he's liking his cut and shut setup, so good fun. That'll be the end of the vlog for today, so we'll see how we go tomorrow. We got drift school here, so we're back here again pretty much from about midday. We'll be coming down here, but yeah, we got some epic action with all the cars still going. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go chill out a bit and enjoy it.